Go.
Just want to say thank you to the citizens of Dothan as well as our city manager and commission for allowing us to purchase our 2016 E1 aerial platform. The ladder truck you see behind me is state-of-the-art 100-foot ladder that we can use for firefighting operations as well as rescue operations. Replacing an older truck, worked diligently with our General Services Division to write the specifications. Our members are able to sit down at the table with the builders of the truck as well as our General Services to make sure we have the equipment that we need, the storage space that we need, and the right engine and transmission to pull a piece of equipment this size through the city safely. Safer for our members, which in turn means safer for the citizens and visitors of Dothan, and we're excited to have it in our fleet for the next 20 to 25 years.